Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to talk to you really quickly about laundry and clothes and closet space that we're sort of having an issue with right now. It's not the matter that we don't have closet space, it's just that we don't have enough closet space. Right now, the majority of the clothes that are being used up are in the closet are my clothes. Angie doesn't really have any, and she's having pretty terrible mornings because she doesn't have too many clothes. She left them somewhere at her other place that she was staying, and then she doesn't have any more now. She's got clothes, just not too many. But here's the closet situation that we're dealing with. There's a lot of clutter and nonsense like that. You can see on top. I just finished organizing this stuff over here by color: dress shirts, more dress shirts, more dress shirts, and then we've got the sweaters, sweatshirts, and then blazers and jackets and all this stuff. This is mine. The only thing that's Angie's in here is this and this. And then there's all of this stuff up here that's just basically both of ours mumbled jumbled. There's a lot of stuff over here on the bed as well. I'm gonna just clean the heck out of this closet, organize it, my side, her side, my stuff, her stuff, different things, different places. And I think once that's done, I think it'll be a lot easier for her to just sort of organize herself in the morning. Boom, this is what I'm wearing, and done. Anyways, nonetheless, time to clean out the closet and do some organizing. So, closet's been cleaned. Here, check it out. Actually, it's really cool. Got all this stuff all organized and stuff nicely over here. Got over here, all this stuff is nicely organized over here. She's got a lot more than 2 things to wear now. She's got a bunch of stuff over here that's all hung up. It's good to go. She still needs more clothes though, I think. So my cousin, usually he cycles through clothes a lot. He ended up bringing me a bag full of clothes. Don't worry, it's all washed and laundried. Actually, he gets the things dry cleaned. So he ended up bringing me a bag of clothes that this way it prevents me from having to go do shopping, which everybody knows I don't like shopping at all. So he brought that over a couple of days ago. I have not had the opportunity to go through the clothes or anything like that. Today is the day for me to do that. It may look like the closet over here is it's done. It's really not until I'm done this bag. And he just messaged me saying that he's got another bag that's ready to be delivered. So I might even have to get rid of some of the clothes that are in this closet over here in order for me to put the stuff, the new clothes in there. As long as I like the clothes, I'll keep them. Otherwise, I will donate them to Salvation Army or something. I'll always donate clothes. I don't throw them away unless you've got like rips and stuff like that on clothes like these. I would never give that to anybody. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is, give them some high-end stuff. See that? So that's garbage. That will go in the garbage. So check out this huge bag of clothes that I have to deal with right now. And moreover, apart from dealing with it, also make sure that it's hung up or put away properly on the shelf. Check it out. A bag full of clothes. You see? Holy moly. Thank you, cousin. I appreciate it, buddy. Oh, this is nice. Take a look at that. That's not bad at all. Looks like it'll keep me warm. Ooh, this is good. This is nice, and I like the color. I actually really like the color pink. Pink is a really cool color. This is kind of pinkish, but not really pinkish. I like it though. Okay, so this is really cool. Some of you guys may know this about me or may not. I was actually born in East Africa, in Kenya, Nairobi. I moved here when I was 4 years old. So anytime I see anything that sort of touches home, I like it a lot. This over here kind of touches home. Do I remember much about Kenya and Africa? Not really. I remember feeding the giraffes and feeling their texture of their tongue on my hand, and it's kind of like sandpaper. I do remember that. That was really cool. But check this out. I like it. This is cool. This is pretty cool. Ooh, this is nice. I'm gonna try this on right now. This is really nice. It fits perfectly, perfect length. Wow, I like it. This is interesting. Look at this. It's like totally see-through. Hey guys, look at this. I don't know, can you see my undershirt? Let me check out the mirror. You can definitely see the undershirt through this. Not necessarily like it's a bad thing, but it's I don't know. I think I'll hold on to it for now. Told you he dry cleans his stuff. All dry clean.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls. This one for them hood girls, them good girls. Straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city.
Nothing but blue skies. Take a look at that. I'd say that's pretty pretty. Definitely. Actually, to be honest with you, the way that the skies are blue, or I shouldn't say skies, I should just say sky. There is really just one sky, isn't there? Sky. The way that the sky is blue is really cool. So my cousin, the last time he came over and brought a bag of clothes, he ended up bringing these right here. Actually, not these, just this one thingy, slipper thingy. It's nice though. Look at the material. It's nice. In today's big bag of clothes, he ended up bringing this over here. So now I've got two. I've got the pair. So when I get out of bed, boom, all I gotta do, put these things on, be nice and comfy. I bet you Angie, and this is a bet I'm willing to make right now, I bet you Angie is going to utilize these more than I will. Watch. I can guarantee it almost. Definitely. So I'm not saying I'm not going to use the shoes. I'm just saying that she's going to probably use them so much more because she's just going to put them on and I'm not going to even have the opportunity to use them because they're on her feet. You want to see it? You can see it up close over there. There's a crazy snowstorm going outside right now. It's pretty insane. Check this out. Watch. That's the highway.
It's pretty cold and it's pretty freaking snowy. Oh my god.